What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we're just going to review the Acer Swift 14 gifted to me from Snapdragon. This has the Snapdragon X Elite processor. I have everything set up. This is what the display looks like. It looks real good. The screen looks real good. As you can see, the colors do pop very well. I charged this up out of the box, and I got this yesterday or the day before yesterday, and it's at 39% is remaining. It says I have 4 hours and 43 minutes left. So that is a good thing, because I've heard a lot of people talking about these laptops, and this laptop in particular being great at battery life. So that is good, because when you're using a laptop, you want to make sure you're able to power it and do everything that you need to do. And I will not have any problem. So I can take you over. First, let's take you over to YouTube so we can check out the sound, because this gets kind of loud. Let's go to one of my YouTube videos. Once we get in here, let's go to my channel. Let's just turn this video up real quick. With the Google Pixel Fold. So as you know, I have had my Google Pixel Fold for over 5 months now, or 4 or 5 months now, and I just want to talk about some of my experience. That is not bad for the sound. I've had it for 5 months, and since it has gotten a few updates, I want to talk about some things that's gotten better and just what I like about it still. So yes, this is my Google Pixel Fold, as you can see. So this computer will be good for watching YouTube, watching a lot of YouTube content, watching Netflix, watching different kind of movies. You can play some games on here. I do have a game downloaded on here. Let me see if I can find it real quick, so I can show you that you do have access to playing games, and it will run pretty fast. Get into the game. I really don't know how to drive, but I just want to show you that everything looks good. As you can see, look at how good the screen looks, even though I am all on the edge. Just look at that screen. That is nice, no problem there. Everything looks pretty good to me. I may need to just buy me a controller so I can game a little better on here, because I don't really like using this keypad for gaming. But as you can see, it looks good, no problem. Fix my camera. There you go. It looks good. As you can see, I'm gaming just fine, no problem. There's no drop of frame rates or anything like that. I'm not losing frame rates or data or speed. You know, you just want to make sure your Wi-Fi is up to date and it's good. But this is running, has capable of Wi-Fi 7, and that's pretty fast, so no problem there. But as you can see, I am in 6th place, but it is pretty smooth. I have to get the hang of playing on a computer, because I'm not used to playing games on a laptop, or so on and so on, whatever you want to call it, laptop. So this is something different to get used to. But if you can play this car game, I'm sure you can play more intensive games. I just don't have other games to try out at the moment. I also have CapCut loaded up on here, because I'm going to try to edit this video that I am recording right now with CapCut on this computer, because I believe I can use this for some light video editing, nothing too serious, because when I video edit, I do not do a lot of fancy things. I usually just add words in and then clip out pieces that I don't like. So I feel like this could do the job there. You do have access to a webcam. It's not the greatest, but it'll work. Let's see here. Let's just type in camera. Like I said, it's not the greatest, but it will work if you need it to work for you. You do have access to webcam. Well, it looks good in this view only because I have a ring light shining down on me. But when I was in the other room with not that light, it looked grainy. So you do have access for webcam. Of course, a lot of computers, you know, laptops have access for that. You know, that would be not good if you didn't have access. You do get your Microsoft Store. This is where you can come and download games, and the laptop is touchscreen, and I love that. If I don't want to use the trackpad, I can just come here, touch it with my hand, and get out of it just like that. This is where, you know, this is my files. Keep all my files. I have some photos loaded up on here. Come in here. This is where you can change all of some of your settings if that's something that you are into. Let me go into the settings real quick so we can see what all is running. So like you get your Bluetooth and so on and so on. You get your systems, Bluetooth devices, network, and entertainment. You get your personalization apps, accounts, team and languages, time and languages, gaming, accessibility, so on and so on. We can go to pull up something on the internet so you can see how fast it'll pull up. Let's just say Best Buy. Pull that up real quick. Just like that, you have access to looking at Best Buy. Like I said, it's running real smooth for me so far. So far, I'm enjoying my time with this laptop. It's lightweight. As you can see, it's lightweight. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light, but it's light. Back here, this is the fan. It comes on every now and then to cool it down, and so on and so on. You do get your USB here, headphone jack here, and you get another USB here. You get two USB-C ports. There's no slot for using a SD card, but as long as you have like a USB drive that has access to SD card slot, then you are able to transfer your files. And as you can see, this does currently have face recognition, so I can just close it up like that, get back into it just like that, and I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about putting in a password, so on and so on, to get into the laptop. So this does have AI features, so it is gonna give you your co-pilot, but you would have to sign in to your Microsoft account. I'm having trouble with that right now, but as soon as I get that signed in, I'll come back with some of the AI features that this laptop has to offer. I don't know, I just like this laptop so far, so I guess you could say not a review, but these are like my first impressions. It does come pre-installed with Dropbox. This is how you can have desktop 1, and then you can add another desktop 1 and desktop 2 if that's something that you are into. And over here you do get access to your news, things that's going on in the world. You can get access to that if that's something that you like. But my first impressions with this laptop are pretty good. And like I said, I will make sure to come back with more content about this laptop, or in the comment section below, let me know what you want to see about this laptop, because this is my first time ever having a laptop on the channel, and I really don't know. I'm not too sure how to review a laptop. So just let me know if there's some things that you want to see me do, or so on and so on, and I will try to make those videos to the best of my ability. But I hope you found this YouTube video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. Oh, and thank you, Snapdragon. I'm out.